In this video, I will show you how to set the prices in groups for your designs on Zazzle. Welcome to Financial Freedom Style, it's Trevor. This is considered an add-on to my previous video, which I talk about how I do pricing on Zazzle and REDBUBBLE to get sales using some proven sales methods and psychology behind. You can check it out if you haven't seen it yet. Now let's say that you have created a good number of designs on different products for sales in your Zazzle store. And at some point, you may want to adjust the prices for your products. To do that one product at a time is pretty easy. On your products page, go to that product and click on Actions under its thumbnails to pull up the drop-down menu. Then click on the first option that says Edit Details. In the pop-up window, you are able to edit the title, the description, categories, tags, and other information for this product. But for this video, we will click on Royalty Information. And here we can change the product's pricing by adjusting the royalty percentage. Once you are done, make sure you check the box at the bottom to confirm the Zazzle user agreement. Then you will click on the Done button on the right, and your new price will be updated on the 20th of the month. At the time of this recording, it is May 31st, which means the new price will not happen until June 20th. If you want to learn more about why Zazzle do it this way, which is for good reasons, there's an article in the Zazzle Help Center that explains it. I will put the link in the description for you. Now, what if you want to adjust the royalty percentage for multiple products to be at the same price? This is the way I found how it can be done. On the products page, under each product thumbnail, you will see a checkbox in front of the product title. Check on the ones you want to adjust their royalty percentage to be the same. Likely they need to be the exact product type for their prices to match. Right above the first line of your product thumbnails, on the right side, you will see both actions. And there's an action button. You will find another action buttons on the left side at the bottom of the page. You can click on either one to pull up the drop-down menu. And once again, go to Edit Details. This time in the pop-up window, you have to be a bit more mindful because whatever you change will affect all the products you selected. That is why you are seeing the message in red at the top giving you a fair warning about the situation. We just want to change the price for all the selected products, so we will click on Royalty Information. But now we can only see the royalty percentage line. The product price and the royalty are not showing because of multiple products selected. So what can we do? My suggestion is that you can work on one of the products from the group to figure out what's the new royalty percentage going to be exactly for the new price first. Then you can reselect the group and apply that new number to update multiple products all at once. Once again, make sure you check the box at the bottom to confirm the Zazzle's user agreement. Then click on the Done button on the right, and that's it. This is a good feature that allows us to set our prices in groups instead of one listing at a time on Zazzle. Imagine you have hundreds of designs you need to work on. How much time this will save you? If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and I appreciate it. Also subscribe and turn on the bell so you'll be notified when there's new updates on this channel. What other topics on Zazzle or print-on-demand in general would you like to learn more about? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.